It's time for another amazing adventure in words. Welcome to Word Up with Sofia, the place where big ideas grow. Today we're learning a word that's all about big changes. Let's jump in. Today's word is transformation. Can you say it out loud? Transformation. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? Transformation. That spells transformation. Great job. Transformation means a big change in form or appearance. Let's think about that. It's when something looks or becomes very different than before. Here are some words that mean the same as transformation. Say them with me. Change, conversion, alteration, evolution, shift, renewal, makeover. Amazing. Each one gives you a new way to say transformation. Now let's look at the opposites of transformation. Ready? Stagnation, sameness, decline, standstill, inactivity, rigidity. Great job. Now you know what transformation is, and what it's not. Here's how we use it in a sentence. The garden went through a transformation after the students cleaned it up. That means the garden changed in a big way. Let's review. Transformation means a big change in form or appearance. Synonyms: change, conversion, alteration, evolution, shift, renewal, makeover. Antonyms: stagnation, sameness, decline, standstill, inactivity, rigidity. Change isn't just possible, it's powerful. Keep learning and see how your own transformation unfolds. Here's your challenge. Say a sentence with transformation. It could be about the weather changing, your skills getting stronger, or a project you worked on. Words like transformation help you describe powerful changes in the world around you. And you're doing amazing with every word you learn. You're incredible. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you tomorrow for another exciting word.